Did you know that Alexa is about to undergo one of the biggest transformations since its launch? Amazon has decided to integrate a new artificial intelligence, Claude AI, promising to elevate interaction with Alexa to an unprecedented level. But is this change really worth it? And more. Would you be willing to pay for these new features? Today, we will explore all of this and find out if this new version of Alexa will really change the way we interact with technology in our homes. Stay tuned to understand all the details. To start, you already know. Comment below if you would be willing to pay for a more advanced version of Alexa, or if you prefer that it remains free as it always has been. I want to know your opinion. Don't forget to like and share the link to this video in your WhatsApp and Telegram groups, so the people you care about can stay updated on this topic. Agreed. Let's continue. Let's start with a preview. Alexa is about to undergo a change that could define the future of virtual assistants. Amazon has decided to replace the internally developed artificial intelligence with a new technology from Anthropic, called Claude AI. But will this bet be worth it? Amazon was working on an enhanced version of Alexa, internally known as Remarkable Alexa. The initial plan was to use the company's own AI technology, but problems arose during testing. The main issue was the slowness in responses, with delays reaching 6 or 7 seconds. In a world where we are used to instant responses, like those from ChatGPT or Google Assistant, this delay is simply unacceptable. In light of this challenge, Amazon changed its strategy and opted to use the AI models from Anthropic, an AI research company based in San Francisco, known for developing the Claude model. This technology has proven to be much more effective in tests, especially in maintaining more natural and contextually appropriate conversations. The change makes sense when considering that Amazon invested around $4 billion in Anthropic. So, what can we expect from this new version of Alexa? According to Amazon, the Remarkable Alexa will be much more advanced than the current one. Imagine asking for advice on what to take for a trip to the beach, or asking her to organize news according to your interests. And there's more. The new Alexa will be able to perform complex tasks with a single command, such as ordering a pizza, writing an email, and creating a reminder, all at once. But there is a detail. This more advanced version will be offered as a subscription service, costing between $5 and $10 per month, which was not included in the Prime package. This move is a risk, as convincing people to pay for something that has always been free is not an easy task. Amazon is betting that the new features will be attractive enough to justify the cost. After all, the company is under pressure to make Alexa generate more revenue, especially in an increasingly competitive market. This partnership with Anthropic represents a shift in Amazon's strategy, which typically prefers to develop its own technology. But with giants like Microsoft and Apple integrating AI into their products, Amazon felt the need to reinvent itself to avoid falling behind. And this race for more advanced and intuitive AI is just beginning. Who do you think will win this competition? Have you thought about how Alexa can become even smarter? The arrival of ChatGPT last year showed that people are looking for virtual assistants that not only understand simple commands, but can also maintain more natural and fluid conversations. And that is exactly what Amazon is trying to achieve with the new version of Alexa. One of the major improvements expected is more effective integration with other smart home devices, and the ability to remember user preferences. Imagine having a personal assistant that knows exactly how you like the lighting at night, or that always starts preparing your coffee at 7 in the morning, without you having to ask every time. For those with children, this new AI promises more engaging interactions with kids, helping with school tasks, playing educational games, or even telling bedtime stories in a more interactive way. However, these innovations also bring concerns, especially regarding privacy and data collection. With a more advanced AI, and dealing with potentially sensitive information, it is natural to wonder how this data will be used, stored, or even shared. Amazon has not provided many details on how it intends to address these issues, but it is something worth keeping a close eye on. In addition to Alexa, Amazon is investing in other areas of artificial intelligence. One example is the internal assistant called Amazon Key, which has helped the company save time and money by automating repetitive processes in software development. This assistant has already saved $260 million and 4,500 years of developer work by speeding up tasks that previously took days, such as updating a system to a new version of Java, which now only takes a few hours. Amazon is also betting on AI in the field of robotics. Recently, they hired the founders of a startup called Covariant, which is developing language models for robots. The idea is to teach the robots to understand and execute commands in a more intuitive way, integrating this technology into Amazon's fleet of robots, which should make their operations in warehouses even more efficient. In summary, Amazon is heavily investing in AI to make its services smarter, faster, and more integrated. This means that we, as consumers, will see more and more AI in our daily lives. Whether through smarter voice assistants, automated homes, or faster and more efficient services. It is an exciting time for technology, but it is also important to stay alert to how these innovations may impact our privacy, our jobs, and our daily routines. In conclusion, in my opinion, it is evident that Amazon is making a big bet by bringing Claude AI artificial intelligence into Alexa, aiming to make the virtual assistant even more advanced and competitive. However, the biggest challenge will be convincing users to pay for a service that was previously free, especially in a market where the expectation is for quick responses and natural interactions. On the other hand, these innovations could transform Alexa into a truly indispensable assistant, as long as Amazon can balance advanced technology with legitimate concerns about privacy. Now, I want to know from you. Do you think this evolution justifies the additional cost? How do you imagine this new Alexa will impact our daily lives? Would you pay more for a more advanced version of Alexa? Or would you prefer that Amazon keep the service free and seek other ways of monetization? If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Suggestions for the next videos that make perfect sense for you to watch are now appearing on your screen.